Ever wondered why so many myths surround men's sexual health? It's a curious question, isn't it? We live in a world filled with information, yet when it comes to men's sexual health, misconceptions are as prevalent as ever. Let's take a moment to unravel these common fallacies, shall we? First off, the idea that sexual health issues only affect older men is simply not true. Men of all ages can experience these problems. It's not just an old man's disease. Secondly, the belief that these issues are always psychological is another mistaken notion. While mental health can indeed influence sexual health, it's not the sole factor. Physical health plays a significant role too. And lastly, the misconception that exercise can't improve sexual health couldn't be further from the truth. Specifically, certain exercises like Kegel exercises can provide considerable benefits. Now that we've debunked some myths, let's delve into how you can improve your sexual health. Have you heard of Kegel exercises? No? Well, you're in for a surprise. Kegel exercises, named after the good Dr. Arnold Kegel, who introduced them back in the 1940s, are a type of pelvic floor exercise. Now, if you're wondering what the pelvic floor is, it's a set of muscles that support various crucial functions in our bodies. It's kind of like a personal health and wellness superhero tucked away out of sight. When we talk about sexual health, these exercises come into play in a big way. They help improve the strength and endurance of these muscles, which can lead to better control and ultimately improved sexual health. And here's a surprise, Kegels are not just for women. Men can and should do them too. They can benefit from stronger pelvic muscles just as much as women can. Now that you know what Kegel exercises are, it's time to learn how to do them. Ready to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles? Here's how. The initial step is to identify these muscles. Picture the scenario when you try to halt mid-urination or avoid passing gas. The engaged muscles are exactly what we're talking about. Once identified, we will exercise them through the contract and release method, also known as Kegel exercises. You contract for 5 seconds, then release for another 5, and repeat this 10 times. This completes one set. It is necessary to focus only on these muscles, keeping your abdomen, buttocks, and thighs relaxed. Start with what you handle and gradually increase duration. The ultimate aim is to hold the contraction for 10 seconds. Strive for 3 sets of 10 repetitions daily. These exercises can be done anywhere, anytime. The effectiveness of Kegel exercises lies in their adaptability and consistency. It will take time and regular practice to see improvement, so don't lose heart. Breathe freely during these exercises. If you feel discomfort, seek medical advice. It's possible the exercises are being done wrong, or there's an underlying issue. Practicing these exercises regularly can bring about notable changes. Let's explore what these benefits are. The benefits of Kegel exercises extend beyond the bedroom. These simple yet effective workouts can have a significant impact on various aspects of your health. One of the most prominent advantages is the improvement in sexual health. Regularly performing Kegel exercises can strengthen the pelvic floor muscles, enhancing sexual function and performance. But that's not all. These exercises also play a pivotal role in bladder control. By strengthening the muscles that support the bladder, Kegels can reduce the frequency of urinary incontinence, a common issue among men as they age. Moreover, Kegels can contribute positively to prostate health. Regular practice can help in managing symptoms of prostate enlargement and can even aid in recovery after prostate surgery. It's clear that the power of Kegels extends well beyond improved sexual prowess. They can enhance your overall health and quality of life. Remember, sexual health is an integral part of your overall well-being, so keep doing those Kegels.